Hey there. Welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about common estate planning mistakes that can cost families tens of thousands of dollars and ways to avoid those mistakes. Did you know that the average probate process can cost your family anywhere from 3 to 7% of your estate's value? Yeah. For even a modest $500,000 estate, that could be up to $35,000 lost just because of poor estate planning. So, today, let's talk about how to avoid these common and costly estate planning mistakes that too many people make. Hi there, I'm Todd Watley, estate planning and certified elder law attorney with Generations Legal Group. I've seen firsthand how families can lose tens of thousands of dollars all because of simple, preventable mistakes, whether it's outdated documents, improperly titled assets, or skipping estate planning altogether. These issues can leave your family dealing with a mess. What's the good news? All of these mistakes are avoided with the right guidance. First and foremost, the biggest mistake is not having an estate plan at all. I get it. Estate planning can seem like something that you'll eventually get to. It can seem expensive, but life is unpredictable. Without a plan, the state gets to decide how your assets are distributed, and that's going to mean probate court. Probate is expensive, it's time consuming, and it's very public, meaning that your financial matters are out there for everyone to see. Plus, your assets may not even go to the people that you intended. You can avoid all of this simply by creating an estate plan to make your wishes clear. Another big mistake I see all the time is failing to update your plan. Life happens: marriage, divorce, births, deaths, changes in your financial situation. So your estate plan needs to keep up with that. And an outdated plan can cause major problems like leaving assets to an ex-spouse or accidentally leaving out a new grandchild. By regularly reviewing your estate plan with an attorney, you can make sure it stays current with your life and the law. Here's something people often overlook: incapacity planning. Estate planning isn't just about what happens when you die, it's also about what happens if you become incapacitated and can't make decisions for yourself. Who's going to handle your finances or your healthcare decisions? Without the right documents like a durable power of attorney and healthcare directive, your family might have to go to court just to get the authority to manage your affairs. That is more stress and expense that they don't need. Even if you've got the best will or trust, improperly titled assets can wreck your plan. A lot of people set up a trust but forget to retitle their property or bank accounts into the trust name, which means those assets will still end up in probate. At Generations Legal Group, we make sure that that doesn't happen to you. We have a funding coordinator on staff who helps fully fund your trust so that your assets are properly aligned with your estate plan. And there's another potential hit: taxes. Poor estate planning can saddle your beneficiaries with a hefty estate, capital gains, or income tax. A good estate planning attorney can help you avoid those taxes through smart strategies like trust or charitable giving, making sure more of your estate goes to your loved ones and not the government. And also, since I am a licensed investment advisor, I can help you with these specific strategies to reduce your tax burden. Finally, let's talk about DIY estate planning services. Look, I get it. Those online services seem cheaper upfront, but I've seen them lead to costly mistakes that a professional would have caught. Estate laws vary by state and change frequently. A cookie cutter online form just can't provide the tailored legal services that your situation needs. Working with an attorney ensures that your plan is personalized and fully compliant with the current laws. Let me give you a real life example. A client came in to me after her father passed away without updating his will after remarrying. He assumed his assets would automatically go to his new wife, but because he hadn't updated his estate plan, most of the estate went to his children from the first marriage and his previous wife. This led to a long, ugly legal battle and tens of thousands of dollars in probate costs, all of which could have been avoided with proper estate planning. So, to wrap it up, common mistakes like not having a plan, failing to update it, ignoring taxes, and improperly titling assets can cost your family literally tens of thousands of dollars and months of stress. But it doesn't have to be that way. At Generations Legal Group, we're here to help you avoid those pitfalls. Protect your assets and make sure that your wishes are honored. If you're ready to protect your family from these costly mistakes, please contact one of our attorneys attorneys today to set up an appointment. Let's make sure that your estate plan is rock solid, up to date, and tailored to your unique situation. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on protecting your family's future. And as always, thank you for listening.